Distant you. Educating you. Safe distance. Online interactive timeline. Step 3.
Back button creation. So here we are on our website, on our detail page, sub-page down below our timeline. All of your sample event information has been filled in. Now we need a back button, something that's obvious. Now I'm not saying that just anybody couldn't click here, or maybe click, up on their actual back button and get back to the timeline. But good web design includes redundancy and simplicity. So we're going to create a back button. I'll show you at least two perfectly good ways to do this. Now, when we get down here, we're going to find a place somewhere down towards the bottom, and we're going to place an image or text. Now, firstly, it is perfectly okay to simply do this. As a matter of fact, this is pretty clear. You highlight it, go up to the top to link, and pick where we want it to link to. In this case, of course, for us, since we're here, we just want it to link back up to the sample page, and that'll be just fine. Now, as you can see, it is going back to the original sample page that's been clicked on. But what if you want to get a little creative and you want to do something a little more interesting? You don't have to, but you, for instance, could do as I did, and I went onto my search engine and I searched for decent looking back buttons, and I found a few that were already created for me and aren't going to take any kind of work, and I'm uploading those. There's kind of one little fancy one, and let's just put it here and make it small or medium or whatever size makes you happy. And we'll just set it here. Obviously, I don't want it to go here. Once again, we've talked about that before. I want it to go to my sample page. That would be just great. So that, in a nutshell, is how to provide back buttons. I hit save, and the person reads all of your stuff because I want to go back to the timeline. Click here, and voila, they are back